Hazrat Imran bin Hussain radiyallahu anhu narrates, undoubtedly, we were on a journey accompanied by the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So we traveled during the night and stayed near the morning. When we were taking a rest, the sleep dominated all in such a way as the sun rose and ascended up. He who got up amongst us was Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, and no one would dare awake him till he would himself get up. Then Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu got up. Later Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu sat beside the head of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and pronounced takbeer aloud. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up. He dismounted and performed the morning prayer. A man sat aloof from the people and he did not perform the prayer along with us. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam had finished the prayer, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "O so and so, what prevented you from performing prayer along with us?" He submitted, "Sexual defilement." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Perform the dry ablution with the soil and perform the prayer." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam had sent me ahead along with some riders, for all of us were gasping for water. We were advancing forward when we saw a woman riding a camel and hanging her feet between two water skins. We said to her, "Where is the water?" She replied, "There is no water." We asked, "How much is the distance between your household and the water?" She said, "Of 1 day and night." We said, "You should come to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam." She said, "Who is Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam?" We, least carrying her remarks, brought her to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. She talked to him sallallahu alaihi wasallam as she had talked to us, but she added then that she was a mother of 2 orphans. Now he sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed orders to open the both water skins and placed his hand on their mouth. So we 40 thirsty men drank water till we got satiated and filled all vessels with water, but we did not water the camels. However, her water skins were still about to burst out of excessive water. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Bring her whatever you have." So the piece of bread and dates were collected for her to take them to her household. After reaching the village, she said, "I have seen a great magician, or he is a prophet, as is thought about him." So Allah Jalla Jalaluhu guided those villagers to the right path through that woman. She embraced Islam, and the other people also embraced Islam. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3571.